Thank you, Mark, and a big hello from London. After a few weeks of very active weekly patterns, this past week has seen a much quieter time with fewer weekly patterns, in fact, very few weekly patterns. Okay, so last week we had a weekly key reversal up in the US Dow Jones Index. What is interesting about this is that we saw no other weekly patterns last week in any of the stock or stock index futures, neither the domestic US stock markets or the major international stock markets. Additionally, this past Monday saw an immediate following on higher move in the Dow Jones Index, but yesterday we had a combined daily key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern as well. So it will be interesting to see the reaction to yesterday's daily bearish actions after last week's weekly bullish ones. The only other weekly key reversal up that I saw in the markets that I cover was in New York cotton futures. But to this, there is a twist. You see, this weekly key reversal up last week only shows on my daily second month continuation charts. However, if you were to look solely at the March 2025 cotton futures, you would see the exact opposite, a weekly key reversal down last week. Thus, I would treat both these with extreme caution. Moving on to the currencies, and I had only one weekly pattern, a weekly key reversal down in the euro against the Romanian leu last week. This one has not seen a follow-on lower this week, not yet, but instead a small retracement back up, but that is still within last week's range. Finally, there was a weekly key reversal down in LME 3-month lead last week. Here we saw an immediate follow-on lower this past Monday, and even part of Tuesday, to new lows not seen since late September. However, Tuesday ended up higher compared to Monday, and today we are higher still, up to the level of Friday's close. Now, I covered this metal more fully in my weekly LME metals video commentary published yesterday. As always, I'm happy to answer any direct questions with anyone who is interested. And with that, I'll finish this section from London. And I hope that you found these comments useful.
Thank you for listening. This weekly broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Topic and ADM Investor Service International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.